Hi. I'm going to talk about search engine optimization secrets for beginners. Welcome to our search engine optimization plan for beginners. This article will cover how to optimize your website so that it is search engine friendly, meaning that when a search engine goes to index your website in their organic search listings, your website structure is read properly by the search engine's crawler, or spider as it is also known. When you have your website search engine optimized, this will guarantee your website gets ranked higher, plus for keywords most related to your business or target market than you would get without proper search engine optimization. Below I have compiled a list of different things that you can do yourself for your website to ensure your website is properly search engine optimized for best results with major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, MSN to name a few. Meta tag. A meta tag is basically a piece of code that would be added to your website header, so when a search engine crawls your website, the spider will look for that meta tag, then use the title, keywords and description you define for your website. The meta tag will not change the look of your website. In fact, meta tags are completely invisible to users. Only the crawler or spider from one of the search engines would pick up that information. Below is a list of aspects of your meta tag that you should focus on. The little details make all the difference. Keywords research. The absolute first step is to compile a list of 10 related keywords that you wish to target. So if you are in the flower business, you would want to create 10 keywords related to flowers, and remember, if you sell locally you can target keywords such as New York City flowers. If you have a hard time selecting keywords, you can go to Google, then search for Google Keyword Planner, and you will be able to use their free keyword generating tool. You should complete your list of 10 keywords you want to target before moving forward. Once you have your list, proceed to create a title and description. Title. Make a short, catchy title. The title must include one of your keywords. The title should be 60 characters for best results. Description. Make a 160 character description for your website. The description should include 2 to 4 of your keywords. Make sure the keywords are included naturally, so basically you cannot just write your keywords. Make it a real description of your website using the keywords. Keywords. You can enter the 10 keywords from your keyword research. Just separate each keyword with a comma. For example, keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, keyword 4, and so on. If you are using WordPress, you can download from the plugins section one of numerous meta tag creators that will automatically add your tag to each page of your website. If you're not using WordPress, you can go to Google and search for free meta tag generator. There is many to choose from. Basically, you will enter in your title, description and keywords. The program then will generate a proper meta tag code for you, which you can place into your website's header file. If you use WordPress or other content management system, the meta tag would normally be added to your pages automatically. XML sitemap. Now that you have completed your meta tag, let's move on to another important aspect you need to have for your website to be search engine optimized. What I am referring to is an XML sitemap, or sitemap as it's otherwise known. A sitemap is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It is a map of your website used by the search engine's spiders to properly map all of your website pages. If you are using a website built with Flash and all other non-HTML formats, the search engine's crawler would probably only find the initial home page. It is very unlikely the rest of your website pages would get indexed by search engines if you do not use an XML sitemap, which will have a negative effect towards traffic you receive and overall rankings in all the search engines. Keyword density. The keyword density of your website basically just a count of how many times your 10 keywords are mentioned in your website content. The more times the keywords are used across your website, the better your keyword density is. Keep in mind you cannot just throw keywords randomly all over the website, there must be a natural flow. Just remember, when adding keywords to your content, quality over quantity. Final steps and conclusion of part 1. That completes part 1 of our search engine optimization for beginners series. New updates are added weekly. I will leave you with one more task now that you have completed the first and also considered by some to be the most important aspects of search engine optimization for your website. Now go to Google and type in Google Webmaster Tools and set yourself up with a free account. 1. Remember the sitemap you made for your website. You can now submit your sitemap directly to Google crawlers. This will ensure all the pages of your website get indexed by Google and with the description and keywords you want. 2. Request Google crawl your website within 24 hours. Even if you are already listed, having Google do a fresh crawl of your website will update your listings you currently have, plus get you new listing based on the search engine optimization work you did. So this should increase your current listings and get you new listings. With your Webmasters account you will also have access to additional tools and free search engine optimization resources that you can take advantage of. Good luck to you. Help to see your website at the top. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.